Okay, this is the 8th update on my Pygame Raycaster, and I've added two things. One is this level editor. I spent a lot of time on it, so like, zoom in, zoom out, place blocks, load maps, but there's no textures, right? So I can load the textures by loading a level. So yeah, I can edit the level here. I can get a bunch of data about the hovered, and I can change it, change all the data here. It's pretty nice. So yeah, this is the level editor. The other thing I've added is an inventory system. So like, I made it so the gun can only shoot 5 times. So if I shoot 5 times right now, I'm clicking, but I'm not shooting anything. Like, I'm trying to click right now, nothing's happening, right? But I can pick up this gun, and just like in Doom, it adds ammo to my shotgun, and I can just go. I can shoot 5 more times. So yeah. And now I can no longer shoot. I can also switch to the rocket launcher and shoot there. So yeah, some silent changes I made are I've put all like the data and whatnot into like data/levels.py, and this is for levels, weapons for all the weapons right here. And yeah, so this will make it easier to make levels and makes the game engine just, well, easier to use basically. And here's the inventory file. Yeah, so those are the stuff I've added to my Raycaster engine.